Hello everyone, welcome back. So today, as you guys can see from the title, we're doing another video in my series, Something Old, Something New. So I chose the two palettes. Pretty sure you probably saw them in the thumbnails, but I want to share it with you guys. The Something Old is my Lorac Unzipped palette. I have not used this in about 2 years. It looks practically brand new because I'm gentle with my eyeshadow. So this looks like I never used it, but I honestly have used this. And then I'm going to pair this one with the Modern Renaissance. I thought it would be nice. I didn't want to go with something boring, but I wanted a palette that complemented it. So this is what I chose. I'll show you guys both of them together. As you guys can see, they have similar shadows, but you still get those pops of shades in them. So you're definitely going to come out with a different look than if you were just using this or this one in here. So we're just going to go ahead and get started on this. I have no clue what I'm going to do, per usual. I did most of my face, prime my eyes. We're just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start out with the Unzip palette first, and we're going to go ahead and go with this shade right here is our transition. This one is called Unconditional. So I'm going to use this in my crease. I'm not going to try to blow this out too high, but this is the perfect palette if you want a mauve look but don't want to do the Modern Renaissance basically. This is such a good old palette, and I know that it has been forgotten because it used to be popular. No, it's not anymore. But that's okay, I'm reviving it. See, such a soft shade. Like, I forgot how good this palette was. And I know this is giving my colorful looks a break. You guys know that I'm a lover of all colors, so I do not discriminate. Alright, so now we're going to go into the Modern Renaissance, and I am actually going to choose the shade Love Letter, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to put this one more concentrated right here. It'll complement Unconditional from the Lorac eyeshadow really nice. See how pretty that looks together? And as you guys can tell, this shade is pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Just trying to blow this out. Just a fluffy brush. I'm going to blend these out. As you guys know, I like to blend my things out. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance, and I'm actually going to use this one in Antique Bronze because it's not a complete matte. But I don't want to go, you'll see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this all over the lid. And then I'm going to go into the Lorac Unzipped and go with Unattainable right here and put it on top. I'm going to use my finger. with a more defined brush, I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with Undiscovered, which is right here. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and bring it up just a little bit. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Warm Taupe from the Anastasia palette and put it in the lower lash line. And then I'm going to end up going with Unspoken, which was right under Unconditional that we originally used. Alright, so with this look, I'm going to do black in the waterline and tight line. I'm only going to put a black line right here just to cover the lashes, but I'm not going to do any wing liner, just mascara and lashes. And then I will show you the rest of the look so you guys can see how everything is put together. Alright you guys, so this is the final look using something old and something new. This was actually fun because I haven't used this one in a very, very long time. And I forgot that the formula for this one isn't like the Lorac Pro series. It's a little bit more densely packed. That's what it looks like. I barely hit anything on this one. And then this just complements it so nicely as long as you don't, you know, mash it. You could see that it's a little bit red up here. You could see that it's not fully this one because you're not getting that burgundy shade, but it's not fully this one because you're not getting just bright and bold one. So I had fun with this. This is really, I enjoy doing this because I forgot all about this one and I really wanted to use this one more. So if there's any old school palettes that you think I own, let me know in the comment section and I will grab that one and pair it with something new to try to revamp, reuse it, show you that, you know, you could still come up with something really, really nice and have fun with the look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.